Hello friends, this is Veronica. It's cafecito time, and today I wanted to share with you a new recipe. It's a pretty easy one, and I think you're gonna like it because it involves whipped cream. So stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed for our videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. If you're a coffee lover, you need to subscribe and hit the notification. So stay tuned. Okay, so you guys know I love coffee. I love my Nespresso machine, and I'm always trying to find new recipes and new ways of making coffee because there is a ton of ways to make coffee, and all over the world I'm finding new recipes. So today I wanted to share with you a really easy, super duper recipe that just sounded too yummy and too easy, and I had to try it. It is called Cafe Con Panna or Espresso Con Panna. And I found out that Con Panna means with whipped cream. When I heard that, I was like, duh, I have to try it. So we're going to try it. It's like super easy, guys. When I was looking it up, how to make it, you just need espresso and whipped cream. Hello, how easy is that? So we're going to try it today. We're going to make it with the Nespresso machine. And yes, I know not everybody has an espresso machine, but if you don't have an espresso machine or a Nespresso machine, you could also make it just with really strong coffee. You could either make it as a shot of espresso, or you can make it as a coffee, because coffee with whipped cream, hello. So yeah, we're going to try that today. So my machine's heating up, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to make a shot of espresso, and you can make it a lungo, which is a bigger size, whatever size you like. But I'm going to go with the OG recipe, and I guess this is popular in Italy, in Europe. Also, I've seen some sites that call this Cafe Viennese, like from Vienna. So I don't know exactly where it came from, but we're going to try it. So we're going to make our shot. And as you know, a shot is only like an ounce or something of coffee, so it's not a lot. So to me, this is kind of like a dessert coffee, but I'll take coffee in any form. So there's our little shot. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. And then you just take your shot and you add whipped cream. And whipped cream is just cream that's whipped, so it's like fluffy and foamy. Okay, here we go. You guys ready for this? Oh my God, that looks so cute. OMG, look at that. You guys, this is so adorable. Reminds me of my other recipes I made with the espresso shots. If you haven't seen those, I'll link them. I made a cortado, which is a shot with milk and sugar. And I also made a café bonbon, which is a shot with condensed milk. So a lot of these are kind of similar type of coffees and recipes, just in a different little format. But this is so adorable. Okay, I think you have to mix this, but it's tasting good. So I have my spoon here. I'm going to mix it a little bit. It's kind of melting in there. You guys, this is good. This is really good. The whipped cream has a little, like 1 gram of sugar. So it's not a lot of sugar, but it's enough sweetness to kind of, you know, cut up the coffee a little bit. I dig it. I think I'm going to start using whipped cream instead of half and half or creamer for my coffee. Wow. That's it. Espresso Con Panna. That is really good. Okay, I need more whipped cream. And I think a lot of times people get a little intimidated by these coffee names because we don't know what they are. But in reality, it's simple. It's just coffee with some form of milk or cream, like the condensed milk in the café bonbon or the cream in the cortado or this. It's all kind of the same, just in different forms. So don't be intimidated. If you're not sure what it is, ask. Or you guys could ask me, because I know sometimes you go to these fancy independent coffee shops and they could be a little snobby if you aren't familiar with coffee terms or different kinds of coffee. So, you know, don't worry about it. Come and ask me and I will help you, and I'll try to give you as much information as I can. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but I love coffee and I love researching coffee and finding out about all these new things. So you guys gotta try this Espresso Con Panna. Next time you make coffee, even if you don't have espresso, pour some whipped cream in there. It is so good. So I hope you guys like this little quick video. Try it. Let me know if you tried it. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried this coffee before, or if you're going to try it, or what's your favorite kind of coffee to make at home. I want to know. I want to get to know you guys, and I hope you guys get to know me. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like these videos. Give us a thumbs up to help us grow and get our channel out there in the world of YouTube. Share with your friends and family who love coffee, and subscribe, because you guys, I have a really cool, awesome giveaway coming up when we hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to give one of you guys an espresso machine. It's pretty cool. I think I'm going to make a video to show you guys the machine, but you have to subscribe and hit the notifications so you know when our videos are coming and when I make the big announcement. So thanks, everyone. We'll see you next week. And I'm just going to enjoy my little cafe espresso con panna. Bye.